Hi, it's me, Wendy, aka the Thrifty Sewist. And guess what? I have a bonus cash stuffing. So pumped because I never thought I would get to do one of these. So let's see what I'm working with. All right, I have $200 from my husband towards Christmas purchases. Okay, so 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. And then I have, look at this. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Probably should have had it out of the envelope, huh? Oh, Etsy Pay. Bum, 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 bum. So I have $56 from Etsy Pay. So thank you, thank you, thank you for your support. I am so grateful. It is like one of the best feelings ever to hear that cha-ching that you made a sale on Etsy. It just feels so awesome to have some extra income coming in. So thank you. I appreciate everything. And I also have 3 new Etsy products that I am going to be launching that are actually on the site right now. And I'm going to show you those at the end. So thank you a million times. If you're wondering where I got this was just a freebie in one of my orders with Budget with Ira. So yeah. So $56. I wanted to make sure to get 10s, 5s, and 1s for savings challenges. So let's just count 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So $56. All right. So, do you know what this means? Do you even know what this means? Because I know what it means. This means that I can now finish the Save for 50. I'm so excited. So, right off the bat, 150 is going into the Save for 50. That's exactly how much I have left. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, and 50. Let's do this one because I'm going to spend it. Guys, this is my first ever savings challenge that I finished. I'm pumped. I feel so amazing that now I have this $450 to spend towards Christmas. Let me get my envelope because this is not $450. So let's put it all together and give it a count just because we can, because we got lots of money. All right, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 94, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. $450. I'm shaking the camera because I'm literally bouncing up and down. Okay, so guess what I'm going to do now? I'm going to put this all back in here. And I'm going to do this. Take this out. By the way, this binder is literally overflowing with envelopes. I need a new binder just for more savings challenges. I know, I'm doing a million already. Like, how many savings challenges is too many savings challenges? Let me know below. I don't care. I'm just going to do all the challenges. And if it takes me 18 years to finish them all, whatever. It's just fun, right? It's fun. So, yeah, I might buy a new binder soon because she's getting thick. All right, so I'm going to do this now. Wait, is this going to fit? Oh, yeah, I think so. Okay. Let's see. I don't want to just put this in my fun envelope because I want to keep it separate. So, It's singing. It's like angels' voices from the heavens. Okay. That's enough of that. All right. So now that we're done with that, I am going to color this because I just want to be able to see that I finished it, but I'm not going to color it now. Obviously, I'm just going to, color every single thing left on the page. So yeah, there's that. So let's do some stuff. Okay. Let me see here. Okay, sorry about that. I paused the video because I wanted to check my subscriber count. So, let's look at some stuff here. So, I am doing a great job tracking. Okay, voiceover Wendy here. I am so pissed. I have no idea what happened to my sound. And it looks like the video just stopped recording. So, here's what you missed in this section. I was saying that I'm doing very good with tracking my spending, so I'm probably going to start doing a weekly video letting you all know my spending for the week. Then I went on to show you my subscriber count. I am up to, as of recording this video, I believe it was 230 subscribers and 600 watch hours, so thank you so much. I am so grateful to everyone. After that, I put $10 of the money into my beauty sinking fund. I put about $15 into scratch offs. I finished the Jar of Wishes scratch off by Two Sister Bees, and I showed the scratch offs that I have left, including the Lumberjack scratch off, which is new from Tracy at Golden Girl Budgets. So go check out her Etsy shop. It is awesome. Unfortunately, because the video stopped working, you won't get a clip of that. But I will show that in the future. And then I put $15 into the 80s and 90s into the 80s and 90s challenge. That's the hashtag Stacy's 80s Cash Stuffing Party. That is the savings challenge made by Stacy over at Coffee and Budget. Go check out her Etsy shop as well. Everything will be linked below. Then I started the Trick or Treat board game, and that's where we will kind of leave off. All right, I have to keep stopping. My video just shut off, so I guess that means I'm running out of space. I don't know. All right, so let's try to make this quick. So let's count how much we have in Trick or Treat so far. 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $36 in Trick or Treat. Okay. Next is going to be Jolly Gingerbread. This is my challenge. You can pick this up in my Etsy shop. And today I want to do 20. So let's see. Let's do 2 of the peppermints. And I want these to be my windows. So these I made $5 each. So that's 10. And let me actually just put the 20 in now because I don't have a lot of change. All right, so that's 10, 13, 14, 15, 16. If I do 2 of the candy canes, I want those to kind of like cross right here. And I have $4 left. So let's do 1 gumdrop and then 1 of these little circle candies. So let's line the roof with the gumdrops. And then 1 of these little circles. I don't know where I can put these. I'm just gonna kind of stick them on the house randomly. All right, so that's Jolly Gingerbread almost finished. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, $19 to go for Jolly Gingerbread. And this, I decided, is going towards debt. So I'll have to remember to put this in my debt folder later. All right, that's Jolly Gingerbread. Next, let's do Jackpot Savings. Oh, by the way, this Christmas movie bingo, I showed this in my last savings challenge video. I'm skipping this one today because I haven't watched any Christmas movies. So go pick this up. This is from Liz and Les. It's in her Etsy shop and it is awesome. You get a bunch of different boards so you can play a bunch of different times or play with your friends or whatever. All right, let's do jackpot savings. So I need my dice for this. And let's see what we can do. All right, I made this not as fun because I just basically made, if you roll a 1, it's $1. If you roll a 2, it's $2. I should have like mixed up the numbers, but anyway, it doesn't really matter as long as I'm saving, right? Okay. 5. What color could we do for 5? Let's do this purple. All right, so that's $5. And I only set aside about $10 for this, so let's go 1 or 2 more times. Ugh, a 6. Okay, that's yellow. So we got $11. 5, 10, 11. Going into jackpot savings. This one, if I may have said it already, this is by Two Sister Bees. It is available in their Etsy shop. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, $26 in jackpot savings. Okay, next we have our good old penny challenge. And I wanted to do about $15 in here, so let's do $14.98. Worst coloring ever. Okay, $14.98, so we got 15. I'm gonna have to try to get $5 back. Penny challenge is where? In here. Let's see if I have a 5 to take out. Yep. Okay, not gonna count that. Oh, by the way, I have already filmed my sinking funds update for this month, for November, and obviously I'm stuffing some extra money, so those totals are not going to include what I'm stuffing today, but that's okay. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have $11 left. Let's just put it into bingo. That was my original plan, and I think I'm just gonna stick with it so that this video is not so long and boring because it takes me forever to decide. So this is by Budget with Ira. So $11. Let's see. Let's do a 6 and a 5. I promise that I color better, but it's just that when you're doing things on camera, you tend to want to rush because you don't want people to be bored. At least that's me anyway. So yeah. Okay, so that's the rest of the money going into bingo. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Nice. As I said previously, I want to put all my savings challenge money in the bank and start using prop money. Budget with Nessa was so gracious to send me some. She said she had some that she wasn't using. So as soon as I get that, I'm going to do a bill swap and exchange all of my savings challenge money with prop money, and then maybe even a condensing with some of my sinking funds, whether I need it or not. I might as well just do them at the same time. So yeah, as soon as that comes, I will be doing that, and then excited to get all of this money in the bank because I use Ally, and I just got an email that the interest went up again to 3%. So if you're considering a high yield savings account, I use Ally. I recommend it. I love it. The interest has gone up like probably 4 times just since I've signed up, which I think I signed up in September or October. So yeah, get that money, honey. Okay. Last thing I want to show you are my new Etsy products, and I'm very excited about them. They are all digital downloads, so you can go grab them right now. They are already listed in the shop. All right, first we have Sweater Weather. This is a board game style. So you start up here, you move down, up, and down. If you land on a snowflake, you save $1. If you land on a sweater, you save $5. Mittens are $2 and hats are $3. So super cute. Love this for the winter. You can go grab that and print that for yourself. Next, we have, which is one that I want to be starting. Do I say that like all the time? Yeah, I think I do, but oh well. Okay, so Feelin' Lucky. Another board game style, but you play it with a deck of cards. So you draw a card, whatever suit you get, you move that number of spaces, forward or back, depending on the suit, and then whatever space you land on, you save that amount. The cool thing about this is you don't just, well, this, at least as I intend it, you don't just go, straight through because you move 1 or 2 spaces back sometimes. So it may take a little bit longer to finish. And then, of course, you can play all of these as many times as you want. But I just liked the idea of kind of going backwards and maybe hitting spaces that you didn't hit the first time around. So that's Feelin' Lucky. And last but not least is Fairy Funds. So I wanted to kind of make a non-seasonal one because I've really been making a lot of winter ones because it's winter right now. Well, technically it's still fall, isn't it? But anyway, you know what I mean. So I came up with fairy funds. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different fairies on here, and each of them has an amount next to them. This is a 2-pager. So this second page, you print this out and you cut out each fairy, and then you fold them up and put them in a hat, a bucket, a little baggie, whatever. And you pick one out and then you match it over here, and that's the amount that you save. Okay, so once again, you can play it as many times as you want. You can pick, 1 fairy. You can pick more than one when you're playing your games, whatever you want to do. So yeah, so that's Fairy Funds. So once again, these 3 are all available right now in the Etsy shop. Go grab them if you're interested. And I just want to, again, say thank you to everyone who subscribed, to everyone who watches, likes the videos, comments. It really means so much to me. If you celebrate Thanksgiving, I hope that you have a wonderful holiday. I hope you get to spend it doing whatever you want to do. And yeah, I will see you next time, folks. Bye.